Jai Hind. The topic for today is sensible sentences. First of all, let us understand what is a sentence. A sentence is a group of words that must give a complete idea. We use sentences to speak or to write down our thoughts or ideas. जब आप अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस करते हैं तो आप बोल कर करते हैं. यू स्पीक योर थाट्स और यू राइट डाउन, आप लिख कर करते हैं. सो जो हम लिखते हैं और जो हम बोलते हैं वो हम सेंटेंसेस के फॉर्म में बोलते हैं. नाउ अ सेंसिबल सेंटेंस हैज़ अ नाउन और अ प्रोनाउन एंड अ वर्ब. एक सेंसिबल सेंटेंस अगर हम प्रॉपर सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो उसमें ज़रूरी है कि एक नाउन या प्रोनाउन हो और उसके साथ में एक वर्ब हो. आई होप यू रिमेंबर नाउन, प्रोनाउंस एंड वर्ब्स. सो नाउन और प्रोनाउन एंड अ वर्ब is a must to have to make a sensible sentence. Let's see this example. He is my friend. Now in this example, he is the pronoun and is the verb. Is the verb. It is a linking verb. The next example we'll see is the weather was beautiful. The weather was beautiful. Now in this sentence, weather is noun and was is the verb. Was is the verb. Now a group of words which does not have a verb is known as a phrase, and it does not give a complete meaning. So a phrase is a group of words without a verb and it does not give a complete meaning. Example, a big bad wolf. A big bad wolf. Now this is the naming part. Wolf कैसा है? It's a big wolf, it's a bad wolf. But what about it? उसके बारे में हमको कुछ नहीं पता चल रहा because इसके आगे कोई verb नहीं है. So this is just a phrase. It is not a sensible sentence. Next example, a bushy tail. A bushy tail. Now who has the bushy tail? किसकी है bushy tail? So it's again a naming part. So this is again a phrase. It is not a sensible sentence. But if we just combine these phrases with a verb, we may form a sensible sentence. For example, the big bad wolf has a bushy tail. So the verb has, जो हमने has बीच में लगाया, verb लगाया, उससे हमने उस sentence को complete meaning दे दिया. The big bad wolf has a bushy tail. So now it has become a complete sensible sentence. Okay? Your first question is, write C if the group of words gives a complete idea and P if it is a phrase. तो आपको ये sentences या phrases जो भी लिखे हुए हैं नीचे इनको read करना है and you have to write C here in the box if it gives you a complete idea and P if it is a phrase. Color the noun or pronoun red and verb green. So if it is a complete sentence, it means उसमें noun भी है और verb भी है. So noun pronoun अगर है तो उसको आपको red करना है और जो verbs हैं उस sentence में उनको आपको circle करके green करना है. So you can just make a circle around the noun and pronoun and color it red. You can make a circle around the verbs and color them green. We'll come to the next question. How to make sensible sentences. How to make sensible sentences. So as I said, a sentence has a naming part. The naming part can have noun or pronoun. It could be a group of words also, like I said, the big bad wolf. So it's a naming part. Then we have the telling part. Telling part is noun के बारे में हमको बताता है. So it tells us something about it. So we have to add a verb. We can also add some adjectives or adverbs as well. For example, I run fast. Now the words that you see in red are either noun or pronoun. Like I is pronoun. Run, fast. Run is the action word. It's a verb. So it is, I have shown that in green. And fast. So how do I run? I run very fast. So blue, the word in blue is adverb here. Let's take this sentence. Sam is tall. So Sam is in red. It means it is a noun. Is in green color. It means it is a verb. And tall is in orange color. It means it is an adjective. Similarly, you can also see I have a new dress. The next sentence is I have a new dress. In this, we have I and dress in red. So I is a pronoun and dress is a noun. Have, verb. New is adjective. Okay. So now if you see the order of these sentences, कि सबसे पहले क्या आ रहा है, एक noun आ रहा है या pronoun आ रहा है. जैसे इस सेंटेंस में हमने देखा फर्स्ट में आई इज अ प्रोनाउन. तो प्रोनाउन आया सबसे पहले और उसके बाद आपका वर्ब आया. ओके. इस वाले सेंटेंस में, सेकेंड सेंटेंस में, इट्स रिंकी इज प्लेइंग. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज नाउन, इज प्लेइंग इज द वर्ब. सो डू यू सी, व्हेन वी हैव टू मेक सेंसिबल सेंटेंस, मोस्टली वी राइट द नाउन और प्रोनाउन फर्स्ट and after that we tell about the noun or pronoun. If Rinki is a noun and what is she doing? She is playing. That's the telling part. So that's how it makes a sensible or a complete sentence. In the next question here, you have to rearrange the words to make meaningful or sensible sentence. Remember to start each sentence with a capital letter. This is very important because some of you make this mistake. Start each sentence with a capital letter and end the sentence with a full stop. Okay, so this is a group of words here which is like jumbled. So you have to rearrange the words and make a meaningful sentence. Let's just discuss the first one. I'll discuss the first sentence only with you. Now in this case, is my sister Kritika. We have to identify the noun. We have two nouns here, Kritika, sister. We have a pronoun also, my. Okay, so जब हमको sentence start करना है तो हमको किससे करना है? We have to start it either with a noun or a pronoun. अब इसमें तो सारे noun pronoun हैं. So let's say naming word. Kritika is the name. So let's say Kritika से हमने start किया. Okay. So कृतिका के बाद हमने क्या यूज़ करना है? verb. And the verb here is. So कृतिका is. अब हमारे पास two words बचते हैं, my and sister. We are left with two words here. So कृतिका is my sister. Full stop. Does it make sense? So Kritika is my sister. Yes, it makes complete sense. Kritika is the name of my sister. Okay, so this is how you have to do the rest of the sentences also. The next question, use the following phrases to make meaningful sentence. You can use the phrase in the beginning or at the end of the sentence. मैम ये आपको 3 phrases दिए हैं, like a bushy tail. Bushy tail का example मैंने आपको दिया ये Mary and James at night. So these are phrases. These are not complete sentences. What you have to do is you have to make a meaningful sentence with these phrases. आप इस phrase को शुरू में भी use कर सकते हैं और सेंटेंस के एंड में भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल let me give you one example with the last one. At night, the stars shine at night. Okay, so here we are using the phrase at night in the and at the end of the sentence. Mary and James play together. So in this case, Mary and James we use in the beginning of the sentence. Okay, so this is how you have to complete your work and send it to me. I'll be sending you this worksheet. Okay, take care. Bye bye.